E-filing your 2290 return with Tax2efile is simple and easy. Start by selecting the tax form from the dashboard. If your business is already listed on the business list below, you may select Start Filing. If you do not see your business listed, then select Add Business. To add your business, enter the business name and employee identification number. If you don't have an EIN, click the link to create an EIN for free. Enter the business address and the rest of the business information and select Save and Continue to move on. Select your tax year from the tax year drop-down menu and then select the month you started driving the vehicle from the month first used menu. Be sure you have selected 2290 return and then click Save and Continue to move to the next step. Select from the options that best describe your vehicle use. If you are filing for multiple vehicles of different categories, you may select more than one option. Then select Continue. Notice how the total tax and balance due are 0. You can select Import to upload vehicles from the prior year, upload a spreadsheet with all your VIN included, or select Add Vehicle to manually enter your VIN numbers. Enter your vehicle's VIN and select from the total gross weight from the drop-down menu. The weight is the total weight of the vehicle trailer and carrying load. Select Save and Continue when finished. Once all of your vehicles are added to the list, you will see the tax and balance due at the top of the page. Select Save and Continue when finished adding all of your vehicles. If you do not have a third-party designee or paid preparer to enter, you may skip this step and select Save and Continue. The tax amount owed to IRS will be displayed on the IRS payment page. You may choose any one of the listed payment options to complete your IRS payment. Be sure to read through the payment instructions carefully and check the box if you understand. If you want your tax payment to be withdrawn by IRS automatically, select the direct debit to provide IRS with your account details. After you have chosen your IRS payment option, click Save and Continue. The Consent to Disclosure section is optional. You may choose to allow IRS to disclose the information from your 2290 return to DMV and DOT or choose not to. On the review page, you can confirm all of your business, vehicle, and tax payment information before submitting your 2290 return. On the payment page, your e-filing fee will be displayed near the top of the page. You can provide your card details in the fields below and select the Pay Now button to complete the e-filing of your 2290 return.